I'm not satisfied with the questions we use to frame our public discussion about almost any important subject. I think we start with dead-end questions on race and the economy and who we should elect for president, and the climate change thing. I think there are a lot of bad questions in our public life, and I think we just need to say that. And that there is something redemptive about asking a better question and giving that the attention and the care and the creativity and the sensitivity that deserves, because I think of questions as muscular, powerful, mighty things. The reason a bad question is a bad thing is because answers mirror the questions that meet them. Questions elicit answers in their likeness, is how I've come to think about it in my head. Asking a generous question, asking a generous question will elicit a generous answer. Asking an open-hearted question will elicit an open-hearted answer. Asking a searching question will elicit a searching answer. Beautiful questions are maybe an essential tool in bringing forth beautiful answers, whether those are questions about the cosmos or questions about our life together. I think, Jacqueline Novogratz, I put this in the book, she's talked about one of the questions she asks of people when she goes into new places in the world where people are suffering. But this question, what are you doing when you feel most beautiful? I mean, that's a beautiful question that elicits an answer where people speak from their resilience and where they speak from their beauty. And the final thing I'd say about questions that I think we get wrong, I think we could populate our public life with more questions that we let be tools and sit there, that we say, we're going to pose this question and dwell on it. I think a great question, a big question, doesn't always need or want an answer. That we could let questions themselves work on us.